Guys, I just got this new toy revolver. So let's unbox it together. And let's try it out also. It just arrived in the mail it just arrived today, and I just came home from school. We got an instruction manual. And we got this thing here. The barrel. We got our bullets in here. Our darts. And here is our gun. I don't know if I have any idea if I have scissors here or not, but just kidding, I'm not gonna shoot it. I'm gonna find for scissors, right? Be right back. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'll just cut the video. So now, remove this thing. Oh, see, one more. Oh my god, this thing. It's a beautiful little sticker. I got this random thing here. I have no idea what it's for. As you can see, as you can hear, I'm quite tired. Cause, yeah. And oh my god, it's actually quite so heavy, bro. Oh! So like that. It locks in place. How about like that? Like that, it kind of makes it easy to like that. Once I lock it in here, like that. And I can shoot. But the thing is, I can't pull this thing down. So, let's take a look at the instruction manual. I'm gonna cut the video because I know y'all are not interested to read this thing. So yeah, I wanna cut the video. So while reading, I came across this thing here. Loading carbon dioxide. Put on safe. Twist this thing. It opens up. And you put this synthetic oil thing. There's the dots here. So let's see this thing. Oh wait, I don't need to cut open this thing. I can just okay, after some time of looking, I found it. It's up over here. I know this video could be boring for you right now, but trust me, I think it's gonna be a good video. I'm not sure. Here's our foam darts. But I do not see any carbon dioxide thing here. It's empty already. And there's nothing more in the box. Except for a sticker. I want to keep the box anyway, it's very nice. I'm gonna put this somewhere here. But where should I put it? It's a very cool sticker though. Put it outside first. Alright. Just now I read also the way to start this thing, you push this thing down first. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I realized that there is a safe one, so you pull back, then you can push it. And I realized that this part here is for the carbon dioxide. So should I give you a try, the carbon dioxide thing? I don't know. Not that interested in it, and I don't want this thing to have some problem or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna put it, and there's another place to put in the bullets here if you want to play Russian roulette. Don't mind my stupid sister, she always keeps screaming on. I love the bullets, the darts for this. Oh, still nothing. Let's try loading it again. Oh, something is wrong with this thing. It's not being really lucky right now. Let me go see again. So dart is in here. Oh what? No, what else? No, okay. I'm gonna take a look on this thing again, and I'm gonna be back. Okay, it does not only have one bullet. Now let's try adding in try adding in 6 bullets. So right here I got all of them, and let's see. How this thing works. What the hell? Okay, I actually have no idea what's happening right now. It's not working at all.